Hello, welcome. Let us draw the picture of some animals in this video. Do you like animals? They are so cute, right? Let us start with the picture of a cat. Do you have a cat? Do you like them? Do you spend time with them? Okay, here is a cat. We have drawn its body and its long tail. There is a bell on his neck. There are some black streaks on its body. We are drawing that also. And finally we can color it. Then we move to our second picture. This is the picture of a puppy. A small baby dog, by the way. So this puppy also has a bell on its neck. And we only give color to the bell. Now we draw the picture of a sheep. What is a sheep used for? Sheep gives us wool, which is very helpful for us. We should thank sheep during the winter season. We use woolen clothes and that is obtained from the wool from sheep. Now we draw the picture of a rabbit. Which is the favorite food of rabbit? Exactly, carrot. But now in this picture we are not drawing a carrot. This rabbit is holding a flower in his hand. So we can draw another rabbit. Here in this picture there is a carrot. As I have mentioned, carrot is the favorite food of rabbit. And a rabbit is characterized by its long ears. So that long ears have been drawn here. Okay, now we draw the picture of rabbit again. Here we have two rabbits, a mother rabbit and a baby rabbit. Okay, so both the rabbit should have long ears. That is being drawn. Now we can mark the faces, and as you can see, mother rabbit has a smiling face while the baby rabbit has a sad face. Why is the baby sad? I don't know. Okay, let's move to our next picture. Who is this? This is a picture of a mouse. A mouse should have two teeth projected outwards. Two long teeth, by the way. Who is this? This is an elephant. So elephant has a long trunk. That is the characteristic of an elephant. While we draw an elephant, we should consider that point. Now we draw the picture of an alpaca or a long-necked sheep. This also has wool in its body. We use them for wool, and it is sometimes called long-necked sheep, and it has another name, alpaca. Now let us draw another familiar animal. This is a cow. A cow gives milk to us. We should drink milk for a healthy life. Now we can draw the picture of a kangaroo. A kangaroo is a marsupial. That means it has a pouch in its body and its babies are kept inside that pouch. We have drawn the baby also in this picture. Now let us move to our next picture. This is the picture of a cat. We have once drawn a cat. This is also a cat, but in a different perspective, from a different angle, viewed from a different angle. So we are drawing its legs and its tail. We can add some black streaks on its body and we can color it. Now we move to our final picture in this video. What should we draw at last? Again, we are drawing a rabbit with a carrot. What was the peculiarity of a rabbit? It has a long ear. So its ear should be long. And we have a carrot here. Okay, very good. So that's all in this video. Thank you.